What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to go live on TikTok without showing your face. So this tutorial is fast and easy, so let's get it started. So first, go to your TikTok. Then when you go to your TikTok, just go to your profile right here. And as you can see, I don't have a live option on my profile because I don't have enough followers. So in order to go live on TikTok, you need to at least have a certain amount of followers in order to get access on live TikTok. So for example, this is a live TikTok options. And if you didn't know, the live TikTok options is just the same as on how you do normal videos on TikTok or making stories on TikTok. So either way, if you do live or if you do a normal video or a normal story, this option will pop up. So what you can do to block your face is just adding up an effect. So you can click this effects right here and just find the certain effects that will block your face from your live. So for examples, I go to the animals effects, and as you can see, if I chose this dog right here, my face will be black by the picture, and that's it. You can only show your eyes or something, but they can still hear your voice, and that's it. That's how you block your face on your live. And that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.